Alright, the big day is finally here. We're gonna fit the Aero Pro Race half system to my baby here. But first, I want to get a dB rating of the stock exhaust. Hopefully you can see that. I'm gonna start her up just for a second. Don't want to let that run too long, or else exhaust will get hot right before I'm working on it. So that's step one. Alright, next step, we have a 10mm clamp right here. I'm going to take off this one right here. That's also 10mm. Step one. Alright, next step. I took the seat off and the rear cowl. I don't have anybody to film me doing this, so I'm kind of going to skip ahead. Here's the servo motor right here. So we're going to take off these screws here and here. Unhook the cable from this spool, and then we're going to run the wires down when we take the bread box off. And it's too hard for me to hold this camera with one hand, but there are plenty of videos online of people showing you how to do that. So sorry about that, but I'm gonna skip ahead. Alright, so I got the servo motor unplugged, and one of the ways to do it is to loosen these nuts right here, but I just happen to have these security Torx bits. I need it for something else, so I just removed the screw right here. So I'm going to remove the servo motor and I'll be right back. Alright, next step, we got 5mm, and we're going to take off this and this, remove the cover. Got the servo motor all packaged up. I like to put them in these bags, and I write on the bag and I write on a piece of tape, because I've had it wipe off the bag and I've lost the tape. So it takes 2 seconds to do it like this, and then I make sure I have it double safe. Alright, there was actually 3. One here, and one in there. I'm probably gonna have to remove this so I have access, but I just wanted to show you so you weren't in case you used me as your instructions. Alright, next step, there is a screw. See if you can see it right here, 4mm, and now remove the, I guess it's a valve cover. Well, let me show you where I'm at with this. Today's day 2. It started pouring down rain in the middle of my last little adventure, but I plugged in the servo buddy. I'll show you that in a minute. You don't really need that to see that. Next, I was working on the bolt on here, which seems to be an impossible angle, and I'm having a terribly hard time getting it off. So I'm leaving that on, moving over to the bread box. I'm going to take off the bread box. There's 2 bolts. One of them was very hard to get, and the other one was easy. But I'm gonna take the bread box off with the wires attached, and I'm gonna try and snake the wires through. Alright, I'll get back to you after that part. Alright, we're moving along nicely. Now we got the link pipe in. What we'll do is we put some of this metal lubricant along the edge of here, put on the silencer, attach it here, then bolt it there and there, put the heat shield there, and I'll get back to you when that's done. Alright, so I attempted to weigh the old system, and it broke my digital scale. So that's not gonna happen. But let's take a look at her. Beautiful. Alright? And if the world's worst mechanic could do it, you probably can too. Meet out the dB meter. We'll do a little cold start and see how much it bothers the old neighbors. Hopefully not, they're pretty nice. It's not too loud, it should be around 100. I'm happy, job done. Alright, first ride with new exhaust. It's crazy that I could hear it. I've had 2 quiet bikes for a year now. I have the pipes for my Z900 sitting at home, and I still haven't hooked them up because I'm gonna take that bike touring this summer. I wanted to keep it quiet. It's nice that the sound coming out of the exhaust finally matches the power the engine has. I'm really enjoying it, and cannot wait to get it tuned though. It's running pretty lean, and it'll be nice. Man, we're on our way to having my dream bike, and yeah, thanks for checking out my vid. If you want to start recording, I'll put a link to the Insta360 Ace Pro in the description, and I will also put a link to CapCut Pro. Now, I really like CapCut Pro. I was using the free version, and then I tried out some of the stuff that's included in the Pro, and there's tons of stuff. I mean, it was worth it. But if you use my link, you'll get a free week. There's not a lot of freebies out there for the CapCut, so not that I could find anyway. So it's something, right? Anyway, thanks for checking out my vid, and lots more to come. See ya.